Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Today is going to be a cleaning video and I am doing the ever dreaded task of cleaning out my fridge. And y'all, I got down in this video. There's going to be tons of dancing, tons of fun, tons of motivation. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. Like I said, I did the fridge. Y'all, I was dreading that task so much because it was quite nasty in there. I'm not going to lie. So it really needed to be done. It really needed to be wiped down and organized and all that stuff. So I finally got that done. And then of course I had the other cleaning chores that I had to get done too. So that's going to be in here as well. I hope that you guys enjoy and get tons of cleaning motivation. Come up, get up, clean with me, or watch this and then go clean. Yeah, and if you are new here, of course, don't forget to subscribe. So let's turn on the music, let's get to dancing, and let's get to cleaning.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you. Hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you. I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you. And you're off my radar now. I've lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. Hitting you up, but I'm stuck on hold. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I lost you, yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.
Okay, so 2 things. Number 1, I told y'all I was getting down and I was dancing and I was singing. I was like having me a good old time. But number 2, y'all, look at my fridge. It was so nasty, and I had to give you guys a close-up. I totally forgot to give you a close-up of the bottom 3, or the top 3, but the top 3 weren't that bad. This is where it was like, ew, this is disgusting. The insides, what are those, drawers? No, those aren't drawers. Little cubbies, whatever. Those weren't that bad either, but that top, and then when I actually get into the drawers, oh, and even like the inside of the fridge, that was nasty too. But yeah, I just had to show you guys. By the way, I know a lot of people say I don't like, that you waste so much and you use so many paper towels. For me, when it comes to cleaning things like this, rags and microfiber cloths just don't do it for me. And for me, I get the best clean. And as far as like things drying, it just dries best with paper towels. So I apologize if you're offended. I know it's wasteful, but it's just truly what works best for me. So that's why I use them. Also wanted to add, if you guys are getting motivated and inspired by this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, because it truly helps out my channel more than you guys will ever know. So just that little thumbs up helps tremendously. So thank you in advance so much.
Laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing.
The life of kids. And I just cracked an egg on the floor.
So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. You're the one that I need. Yeah, you make me feel like there's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to.
You guys, if I can just get you to understand for a minute how good this feels. I have been putting off doing this fridge for y'all, I don't even know the last time I cleaned this fridge. I mean, it's been a really long time. It was definitely my most dreaded task, and it looks amazing. I'm so glad I finally just got it done. So I'm challenging you today to write down on your to-do list for either today, this weekend, or next weekend, to write down that most dreaded task of yours. And I'm inspiring you and challenging you to get that task done, because I'm telling you, I know it's dreaded and I know you've been putting it off for a while, but trust me, it feels amazing when you get it done. So yeah, I just wanted to finally finish, and I wanted to come on here and just be like, we got it done. We got it done together. Did you guys clean your fridge? What do you guys clean when you watch my videos? I would love to know. So comment down below. What do you guys clean? What are you working on today? What are your goals to get done for today? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below.
You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. I'll do it all baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel. I know you will always be the one who holds me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down. 'Cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down. 'Cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down. 'Cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are, just the way you are. Oh, just the way you are. I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I wanted to.
Look, you're on the camera. Aww. For those of you that are new here, that was my daughter, and I was FaceTiming her, and oh my gosh, Bella misses the kids so much when they're not here, so I had to show them, well, I had to FaceTime with Bella, with my kids. So yeah, I have a son and a daughter, and they were with their dad this week, so yeah, I had to FaceTime them, and I just wanted to share, in case you guys were like, what the heck was that? That was my baby. But yeah, I get so many questions about this vacuum, and I wanted to mention it real quick. I do not recommend it, and I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. It's, oh my gosh, I guess I should say, if you and your kids have a lot of hair, or you and your family have a lot of hair, do not get this vacuum, because me, Contrell, and Ava, we all have a ton of hair, and you're going to see in a minute exactly what I'm talking about. This happens every single time I have to, basically I have to clean this out every single time after I vacuum, and I think it's insane. So I definitely am going to be purchasing a new vacuum very soon, because I've had it with this vacuum, and like I said, it's a good vacuum, but it is just not good if you have a family with a lot of hair.
I turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I wanted to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. Was losing my mind, told them I'm fine, wish I was sober.
So that will do it for this video. Look at sweet little Bella. Isn't she sweet, y'all? She seriously misses the kids so much when they're not here. Oh, my poor baby. Anyways, the house is all clean, and y'all, this took forever. I was like, oh my gosh, I totally take for granted when the kids are here, because they always help me. And wow, what a difference when you have help versus doing it all on your own. I was like, I literally don't even feel like I did that much, but it took me like forever. I mean, obviously, like most of the time was spent with the fridge, but yeah. Anyways, I'm so glad that I got that done, by the way. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what it is that your dreaded task here. I've got to show it to you again. I'm so proud of it, you guys. I'm so proud of it. So here's another view of it. But yeah, don't forget to leave in the comments down below what your most dreaded task is. My next one, believe it or not, is cleaning my makeup brushes. I don't clean them as often as I should. By the way, that freezer, it's next. So actually the freezer is probably like the next most dreaded. Between my freezer and the makeup brushes, those are my two most dreaded tasks that I still need to do. So don't forget to leave in the comment section down below yours. And also don't forget to let me know what it is that you have planned to clean this week or next week, and any recommendations for any cordless vacuums. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.